Ho-Ho loves to jump. Wow! Look at him jump! Tiao! 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 Ho-Ho, dragon dance with us! Up, down, wiggle, flap! Up, down, look! There's our friend, Tolly. He's a koala. That's me! Tolly, come dragon dance with us! Okay, wait for me! 我来了! Up, down, wiggle, flap! Look! It's Lulu and Howard! 你好, Lulu! 你好, Howard! 你好, Kai-Lan! Woohoo! Up, down, wiggle! Whoa! Boat! Look at the boat! Whoa, Kai-Lan! They're all gonna watch us? Yes, everyone's part of the Dragon Boat Festival, Tolly. Let's get in our boats. I have my special racing helmet and my floaty jacket. I'm ready to race. After the Dragon Boat races, we get to meet Mr. Dragon. I can't wait!
Boats to the starting line. Now listen to the Peking mice drumming. And move your paddle to the beat. Row,
We're moving!
row, row. Good, good. Rowing together makes the boat move faster. The first dragon boat race ends at the Red Bridge. To start the race, let's count 1, 2, 3 in Chinese.
1、2、3。
Let's say it together. E, R, Sun. Super counting. Let's go, go, go!